When I held you again, how could we ever just be friends? I would rather die than let you go, Juliet.